Hi, I'm Nick Glova and welcome to this week's vlog. Well, we're out here at the staging point for Logandale Trails. We usually drive down farther into the trail system, but since I have the super big trailer out here, we decided not to go all the way over there. That entails a whole bunch of other things, getting around, and my truck's only real-wheel drive. Never did I ever think that I would be driving off-road with it. Now that I am, I kind of wish that I had the four-wheel drive, but that's okay. We're out here, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun today. Here meeting up with Chuck's friends, and I'm really glad that I didn't drive the big trailer all the way out to these parts, because as you can see behind me, there are a lot of RVs, trailers, and side-by-sides out here. There probably would have been no place to park, but I guess you can expect that on a busy President's Day weekend. Stop for the next hydration break here at one of the things at Logandale, the petroglyphs. Let's go see if we can find out what they're all about. So here at the petroglyphs, a very long time ago, Native Americans came and put drawings on the walls here. You can see in the video that they're still here clearly, and there's even a date here that says 1931, but I'm sure that that was written in the rock after that date. And there you have it, the rest of the day. I know there wasn't that much footage, so I might roll this coverage into next week's vlog. We're on the edge of this ridge here in Logandale, and we just had dinner at this great little pizza place. Excellent food. It's called Pirates Cove. If ever down here you don't have a barbecue or anything to eat, definitely check that place out. Probably not open on Sundays because this is a Mormon town. So if you saw my last vlog, you saw that there were some really epic drone shots in the beginning of the video. The drone actually belonged to my next door neighbor, Chuck, Captain Enabler, who you've seen in multiple of my videos. So I decided that I really wanted a drone. I went out and bought one, a used Mavic Pro. You can kind of see that it's kind of chalky looking, and that's because the previous owner liked the white Mavic Pro better, and I'm not sure why he just didn't buy a white one, but he tried to paint it white and then he decided he didn't like it, so he took the paint off. I don't like the chalky color, not really a big deal to me, but since I have a vinyl plotter, what I decided to do was cut my own vinyl skin. As you can see, I've already started applying it, and I've decided to go with red because it's my favorite color, and I think it would be easier to help spot the drone while it's flying in the air. Let's put it on. Well, there you have it. It's really not that bad for doing it myself and, you know, cutting the vinyl for free instead of going online spending $30 or $40 on a skin. But if you guys really want to have this file, if you have your own vinyl plotter, just shoot me a message and I'll be glad to send you the file. So you guys know that drone that I bought 2 days ago? I just flipped it on eBay for profit. I'm on the way to post office now to send it out, and I'm actually kind of happy I did that. When I got the drone, I wasn't too impressed right out of the box. I thought there were some image quality issues with the sensor, so I did put it on eBay, and it sold actually in 15 minutes, believe it or not. That won't be it for the drone shots. I did buy another Mavic Pro. It's coming out of Phoenix, and it should be here only in a couple of days. Thank you, Stefan, for picking that up for me.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Well, we're back out here at Logandale Trails, but there's a difference this time. We don't have 13 cars with us, and the only purpose we're out here today is to actually get some filming done. So this is what we got.
Electric nights like fireflies, time is frozen. Velvet skies like lightning vibes, we be floating. Cause when you touch me, I swear I can't speak, I'm out of body, there ain't no coming back. And when you touch me, that's what my heart needs, yeah we can run free. I know that you can be light years away. We can shine through anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. I know I can find you anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. I know I can shine through. Worlds apart, we're shooting stars. Skies are open, a ray of sparks, our beating hearts throw us in motion.